Hey guys, welcome back to Hobby Happy. Today we're going to be making brachiosauruses. Some people call it like brontosaurous, but this is what it looks like. I'll be going step by step. Let me know how this video turns out. I'm still trying to figure out what works best for you guys. Yeah, let's get to the video.
Okay, to start it out, you're going to be making 4 legs. You're going to start with 8 single crochet in a magic ring, then do 8 increase, and then do 4 rounds of single crochet. Okay, bear with me on this one. To connect, you're going to chain 1, and then slip stitch them together. Then do 11 single crochet around that, and then chain 3, and then bring out your next one and slip stitch those together, and then single crochet 11 around that again, and then you're going to chain 1 and slip stitch it to the next one, doing another 11 single crochet around that, and then chain 3 and count 11 from the stitch marker, and then do 11 single crochet around that. Okay, and then for 3 rounds, you're going to be doing 56 single crochet. Starting on the stomach square, you're going to be chaining 8, and then you're going to do 7 rounds of single crochet. Cut that and then sew it on. The easiest way you can do this is if you turn it sideways slightly like I did in the video, and it fits a lot better that way. Okay, trust the process on this one. 25 single crochet. You're going to chain 6. This hole is going to be where the tail will be going. And then do another 25 single crochet. Next up is 5 single crochet decrease, and you're not going to be decreasing on the neck area. This round is going to have 49 single crochet around at the end. You're going to be doing 7 single crochet in the last stitches. This next round you're going to do 6 single crochet decrease once, and then you're going to do 4 single crochet decrease until you almost reach the end, and then finish it off with 5 regular single crochet. You're going to have 42 around by this point. Do 3 single crochet, and then 3 single crochet decrease until you reach close to the end where you're going to do 4 single crochet, and it's going to be 35 around. Do 4 single crochet, and then do 2 single crochet decrease until you reach close to the end where you will do 3 single crochet in the last. Around it'll end up being 28 single crochet. Stuff it up, and for the last round on the body it'll be 4 single crochet, and then single crochet decrease until you reach close to the end where it is 3 single crochet. And the end stitch count is going to be 21. Sew up part of the body until you have 14 single crochet going around for the neck. The neck will be 5 rounds of single crochet long. You're going to go straight into 6 increase and then 8 single crochet to be 20 around for the first round of the head. Do single crochet increase, then 10 single crochet at the end for a total of 25 single crochet around. Follow that up by 2 rounds of single crochet. Do 3 single crochet decrease to make that 20. Do 2 single crochet decrease to make that 15. At this point, you're going to want to stuff it up and add the eyes. Just wherever you feel is right is where the eyes go. And I usually do it like right in the middle of the head on either side. Do single crochet decrease to make that 10. And then finish it off with 4 decrease to make it 6. And then that's when you're going to sew up the top, and you're done with the whole body. The tail is going to start off with 14 single crochet around. Do 5 single crochet decrease to make it 12. Do your next round of single crochet. Do 4 single crochet decrease to make it 10. Your round of single crochet. Don't forget the stuffing. And then it's 3 single crochet decrease to make it 8. Sew up the tail to finish that off. I like to pick my darker color and make some little toe prints just for some added detail. The last thing you need to make is the back spike with also the darker color. You're going to chain 15, and then you're going to alternate this. You're going to do treble, and then 2 slip stitch, and then you're going to repeat that 5 times. Sew that up straight in the middle of the back, going down the tail. After that, it's time for the reveal.
Okay, here are the results, but I made the blue one. These 2 are going to be sold. I love them. This is a favorite pattern of mine, and I make all my patterns myself. So I hope this video worked out for you. If you like what you see, then stick around, and I post bi-weekly, so look out for that, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.